Meron yung magandang example in the meeting de Avance, and pasalamat po tayo sa milyon na nag-attend. Pastor, you were there, you said the prayer. Ang sabi po ni Mayor doon, he will swear and he will risk his life to protect each and every Filipino. Yun po sinabi niya. So if the pushers, if the criminals will insist, he will ask the police and military to arrest. If they do not give up, and if they use force, they will be shot or killed in action. Alam niyo po, nilagay ng isang network sa kanilang .com na article. Rodrigo Duterte advocates mass murder. Napakalayo naman ng mass murder sa law enforcement. So, this is an example lang mga kababayan na
Garbage.
hindi pa nag-uumpisa yung pagbabago. Meron ng agenda.